next tool, which is share tool. I don't really think this is something that should be hard for all of us, but nevertheless I am still going to talk about it. So just press the share tool and to open to you different apps which you can use to share: Instagram stories, Instagram chat, Instagram feed. Just depends on the number of apps you have also. So you can send through email too, and that's it. Now I'm still going to add community. This community also talks about sharing your artwork, viewing artworks, viewing other people's artwork. Trending works and popular works, and all of them. Now you can only do this if you have an account with them, and then you save your work and share it to their community. If you don't have an account with them, you can't do anything. Classrm is literally the first part I came to here in Infinite Design. After seeing the app, I just went through it. So this is the basics. This is painting tools. This is segment tool. Google Plus community. Let's go through the basics. For the basics, like it's telling you, these are the 4 segments. The first part is the brush. Second part is the eraser. Third part is what you use for your size. First size, the color fits opacity. You can slide through any of them to change size, especially for you slide through to change size of pen as illustrated here. Then from your color you can drag it and pick, just like that. Swipe out for eyedroppers. From the color, just swipe out and pick your colors. Then also you can change the format of the way it looks on your phone. Instead of looking like this, it can look like this. So depends on you. And this is select toolbar, then options bar, as are those 3 that we talked about just now.